Yo. See, I am nothing to fuck with. These rappers in my shadow when they looking to suck dick. You tryna take a selfie till I'm punching your duck lips. Now what the fuck is healthy when I stay on the drug tip? Stop, Skip, I'm the one that run this. Speed it up a little for the tongue twist. You are never touching me, I bet a couple hundred that you nothing raw. And now it's time to go to war, so let me blow the trumpet. Aw shit, there go the mosh pit. Got them in a slag like they stepping on dog shit. Fucking with your pride, call me Marcellus Wallace. Long kiss goodnight, call me Christopher Wallace. What bitch, you might call me crazy. I don't know why, this guy is stuck in the 80s. Cobra Kai, so when it's toe to toe, you gotta go below. That's how I stole the show, like I told you so. We told you so, you better slow your roll before we blow you all into oblivion. You know the dope, and if you don't you will. Cause when you hear this flow, you see we're killing them. You sold your soul when you opposing trolls, so turn that bullshit off, cause we are selling them. Dope DOD forever. Yeah, we wicked with the lyrics.
Turn from amateur to pro.
Hey yo, I don't care what y'all be doing, where y'all coming from. I'm from underneath the bottom where the sewage run. Yo, who this dude? And why he got a gun? Like John Wilkes Booth. Nigga, I'm the one. I got a taste for the ruckus, so I taste motherfuckers and they hate that I'm rugged. Take your face and I fuck it. Bitch, I'm baked and I love it. Shove your babe in the oven, I don't play when I'm bustin', no. Midsummer shit, ready for a trip. Colors getting rich, wrists getting slit. Put them on the list. One for my bitch, 20 for my niggas, and I want the rest. I stand up for the freaks and the rejects. With a couple of keys tonight, together we relapse. With these hoes, I'm gon' blow my load. Overdose like I told you so. We told you so, you better slow your roll before we blow you all into oblivion. You know the dope, and if you don't you will. Cause when you hear this flow, you see we're killing them. You sold your soul when you opposing trolls, so turn that bullshit off, cause we are selling them. Dope DOD forever. Yeah, we wicked with the lyrics.
Turn from amateur to pro.
And when I busted my first rap, the whole planet shifted. And when I busted my first rap, the whole planet shifted. The whole planet shifted. Busted my and when I busted my first rap,
Planet shifted.